Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rugged shorts. First, select a tough fabric such as canvas or denim. Aim for at least 10 ounces per square yard for maximum durability. Next, gather your tools. You'll need sharp fabric scissors, a reliable sewing machine, and strong, heavy-duty thread. Finally, take precise measurements of your waist and the desired length to ensure your new shorts fit perfectly. Now, let's get to cutting and sewing. Carefully cut your fabric pieces, remembering to add a 1-inch seam allowance around all edges for later stitching. Next, create a strong hem on the bottom of each leg by folding the fabric twice and stitching it down. Then, sew the inseams and outseams together using a robust straight stitch to form the basic short shape. To make your shorts truly rugged, reinforcement is key. Add extra rows of stitching to high-stress areas such as the crotch and pocket openings. Next, attach durable patch pockets to both the front and back, ensuring they are securely sewn for carrying your essentials. Finally, consider constructing a reinforced waistband with strong belt loops for added longevity and comfort. For the final touches, install a heavy-duty zipper or a strong button closure at the front opening of your shorts. Take your time to trim all loose threads and press your seams flat for a clean, professional finish that will make your shorts look store-bought. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your new, custom-made rugged shorts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.